Hey guys, Mr. Idol Hack here back on another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Easy DIY Fab M.2 SSD heatsink 2080 size, I believe, double-sided heatsink with a high-performance SSD radiator for PS5, PC, and NVMe, blah blah blah. And it's in red. Well, it should be anyway. Yeah, red. Let's hope. You can also get this in black. This costs £12.99 in red and same price in black as well. But yeah, so you need this if you're going to be getting a PS5. If you're going to be upgrading your storage in the PS5, I mean, you need a heatsink. So this one's a good priced one and it's got good reviews. That's why I bought it. And it says it's compatible for PS5, so that's why I've got it. So let's go ahead and open it. So this is the NVMe for the PS5, 1TB. That's the one that works. It's compatible. Make sure if you buy one, you check if it's compatible first. So yeah, let me go ahead and open this. This is very bad. Hopefully I don't cut my dick off. If I do, then I need someone to donate a dick. There you go. Open. Whoa. There should be some thermal pads in here, I believe, and the metal casing. Let's have a look. Let's see what they're actually giving us. Oh, that is very nice. Look at that. Instruction manual, I believe. Yep. And a screwdriver for the M.2 slots, I believe. They gave us a screw for free. I'm not sure if that's for that or that. We'll see. Alright guys, so this is it. This is literally it. That looks bigger than that, isn't it? Nah, you're just about right, I think. So I believe I have to open these up. So I'm going to unscrew these and then you put it inside here. And there might be some pads in there already. I'll open them. I'll open them and have a look now quickly. Well, guys, we took it apart. There's nothing underneath there, like I expected. Yeah. So there's the thermal pad actually, which I didn't see. So this will just go around the whole length of it. You want to take the tapes off and stick it on the sticky side. And then you put it in here, I believe. Put this on top. And then when it's sat there, you screw everything in. And you want to leave the gold connectors available. So yeah, we'll see how it sits anyways. So yeah, look out for the video on that, how to do that. We'll be doing that on the PS5. You can use this for everything else as well. So yeah, anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.